Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be creating the Reputation Tour classic dark smoky eye look of Taylor Swift, obviously. So first, I'm going to be using this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to use this Lakme 925cc cream. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline New York The Nudes palette and use this and this shade on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use the same palette and use this and this shade on my eye. And blend it all together. Then I'm going to take the dark black shade and use it on my upper lash line. Curl my lashes. Use my Color Bar Zoom and Bush mascara. And lastly, I'm going to be using this Color Bar Simple Matte Lip Color in the shade of Exposed. and the look is complete. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and comment down below what video you want to see next, and subscribe so you are on to see it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!